This video will demonstrate how to sign up for a trial for Dropbox Sign for Procore. To get started, log into Procore as an administrator. At the top right, select an app, and then Marketplace. Search for Dropbox and select the Dropbox Sign app from the list. Press the Login to Install button and select the company as needed. Press the Install App button and continue to follow the prompts. You can press the Skip button at the Add Permitted Projects screen, as we will do this elsewhere. From here, we will configure what projects are allowed to use the Dropbox Sign trial. Press the Configuration tab and select Create Configuration. If you want to limit the trial to a single project, select that project here. If you want to enable the trial for all projects, select both checkboxes instead. Enter Dropbox Sign in the title field and press Create. If you are setting this up for a single project, you can select the Permissions tab and select that project on that screen. If you are setting it up for all projects, you must complete one more step in the company-level directory tool. In the directory, find the Dropbox Sign user and press Edit. This user controls where the Dropbox Sign integration appears. Scroll down and click on the word Admin to give the user permissions to your tools. Next, scroll down some more and find the Add Dropbox Sign user to all new projects checkbox. Next, select the Add All button to add this user to all projects. Lastly, press Save. You are ready to use the integration. Browse to the project and view a prime contract or commitment. The first time you open the side panel, it will ask for your company details. Modify these values as needed, then press Continue. Select the Trial button. If you already have a Dropbox Sign account, you can change these values and use your own. Otherwise, enter an email address, and you will be provided with an account automatically. You will receive an email with an invitation link. Select this link and accept the invite and create a password for your account. Head back to Procore and select the Authenticate Dropbox Sign button. Press Accept, and you are all set. Refresh the commitment, and you will now have the ability to send a request using Dropbox Sign. For more information about Dropbox Sign for Procore, please visit www.shakeit.ai or search for Dropbox Sign on the Procore Marketplace.